My name's Damon Kowalski.
Oh, yeah, my name is Hyunju Kim.
And we're artists. I'm Australian
And I'm Korean.
and we've been working on the last couple months on this project based on the periodic table for Quantum Victoria out in Bandura.
So Quantum Victoria was established in 2012, and upon our establishment, because we are embedded in Charles Latrobe Peter XII College, I wanted the visiting students and teachers coming to the centre to frame their entrance. And the hexagons were chosen because if we look around in nature, hexagons are found in many places. So bees in the beehives and so on. And so it was actually an homage to biomimicry. So in the brief that was given to Damon, we wanted to ensure that the elements that we depicted were not only true in the order in which they were created, but they were also relevant to school students, because the periodic table in itself is one of the most significant creations that we have in the scientific world.
We were quite lucky in the research phase. My friend and colleague Mathew Greentree spent a couple months assembling images. So everything to do with oxygen or nitrogen or hydrogen. He created folders for each element. He downloaded basic information, Wikipedia articles, that kind of stuff, so that when I came to design the images, I had text information about each element, and I had a large selection of visual resources.
And when the image came to me to color, very important, because almost every element has certain color, and I had to follow exact the color.
Iodine, I put a fingerprint because iodine's used to develop fingerprints. Detectives use iodine. So someone who's interested in crime novels or detective work or forensics could look at this and go, actually, well, science is interesting because it fits with other things that I'm interested. Someone who's interested in history or politics would go, well, here's how certain elements have political functions. So we wanted to capture all the different ways that elements are used.
So by having this installation, our hope is that when the students, the visiting students and the teachers and other visitors to the centre, when they come in and have a look, they capture the beauty and the essence of the periodic table. So there's the scientific relevance and information, but it's also through the lens of a non-scientist.
Tin, you've got a bronze mask from ancient Greece. So someone who's interested in classical civilizations, or even that dreadful film 300, might find a pathway in and realise that science is not separate. Science is really intimately part of our lives. We might not recognise that, we might not see that and understand it. We like to believe we live in a sort of virtual, clean world where things don't have physical attributes, but they absolutely do, and those attributes are grounded in the elements.